If you are a girl and you are convinced or you're not too convinced to visit a man, please don't collect his transport fare. Some guys are evil. Some people are desperately evil. They can do anything for one kobo where you collect from them. My people, things they happen. No. So this girl you are seeing on the screen, this 32 years old girl, just buy because of 9,000 naira. It's an alleged story. We don't know how true this is, but this is actually making wave in the internet. It was said that this girl collected 9,000 naira from a guy to come and visit him. They had an agreement. The guy talk say you go come. The babe talk say yes, I go come. Send money, send transport before I come. That's why this guy send 9,000 naira transportation money give the girl. The girl come, no. The girl refund me my money, no. They talk say the girl be say na normal guy wey he go chop with money like that. He go just dey drag you, or he go just let the matter be. She no know say this guy na native man. They talk say this guy ask her again, refund me my money. This girl come block her. As if this guy don't think say as I don't block him now, nothing mega, nothing share. At least I don't block him. Case closed. Make I look for another maga, allegedly. Now so this man will come carry her picture and her name, enter Ikuku's shrine, enter Dèatħ. I watched the video, now so I just dey weep. This guy carried one small fowl like that. Come dey incarnate, abi wetin they call am. Come dey call her name, say as you chop my money, na so I dey bring this thing upon you. Say they go carry you, you go fall sick. This one, that one, this one, that one. As you no wan refund me my money, na so you go take your life. As I watched the video, I said 9,000 naira. I'm not saying $9,000, 9,000 naira. If you know say you no go visit man, why you collect transport money? Okay, let's just say you don't collect money, but your mind no gree. Yes, it happens. Maybe your mind no gree you rest. Say make you no go. You don't know wetin this one plan for you. Just refund the money. At times you be asking the person, let me refund you. Person no gree. Ask the person, send your account number, make I send you back your money. At least if you try your best, even if the person do anything, you no go work. Cause heaven and earth know say you don't try. Had it been this girl tried refunding that man him money, I don't think say this but that man get her too. That man get man. Now when you don't buy him, your money come out. Hey, this should be a lesson to every girl out there. Please.